Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is division of fractions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to divide a fraction by another fraction involving proper, improper fractions and mixed numbers. Now let me tell you what is reciprocal of a fraction. Well, this seems like a difficult thing, but my dear student, this is really very easy thing. Reciprocal of a fraction is just switching the numerator, that is top number, and the denominator, which is the bottom number. Okay, that is switching up and down and up. This is the thing basically. So right now, if I'm going to have some example, this is the example. Fraction is 3 by 4. Now, the switching thing is, I'm going to make the numerator, the denominator, and denominator as a numerator like this. 4 by 3 is the reciprocal of the fraction 3 by 4. Now, for a whole number, that is 2. So, you know that we can write the whole number as 2 by 1, because whenever we have a whole number, we can write this whole number into fractional form by making the denominator equals to 1. So right now I have this 2 by 1. So this 2 by 1, by switching it, in reciprocal form, so it will have 1 by 2, because this is numerator now, denominator is numerator now, and numerator is denominator now. So this is 1 by 2 is the reciprocal of the fraction. Yes, which fraction? 2 by 1, or simply I can say that whole number, 2. You must remember the division symbol. Remember that this is the division symbol. When we divide fractions, we actually turn the division problem into multiplication problem by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction and changing the division symbol to a multiplication symbol at the same time. Do remember that whenever we are going to take reciprocal, then at the same time we are going to do in the same step, that is division symbol must be changed into multiplication symbol. Okay, then we are going to do the same thing as we did before in multiplying two fractions, right? So right now I'm going to solve an example for you guys. Here is the example. For dividing the fraction, this is the example. 85 by 7 divided by 3 whole 5 by 4. So if this is the question, so my dear student, my first step will be, that is, I'm going to change this second fraction into improper fraction, because this one is mixed number. Yes, smart boys and girls. Yes, you can do it already, but I'm going to help you out again. First, I'm going to write 85 by 7. Then division symbol will be changed into multiplication symbol, but not in this step right now, because first I'm going to change the mixed number into improper fraction. So right now 4 3s are 12 plus 5 is 17. So 17 by 4 is here. Now my dear students, I'm going to do what? I'm going to change this fraction by taking the reciprocal. Yes, reciprocal of the second fraction and changing this division symbol into multiplication. Yes, this is my second step. Write 85 by 7 as it is and change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. And now, my dear students, you are going to do reciprocal at the same time. Where is? Yes, here is like this. What? You are going to make this denominator. Yes, numerator. Yes, this denominator will be up and this numerator will be down. So, right now the fraction will be 4 by 17. Okay? So, now I'm going to do cross multiplication. The cross multiplication will be, that in 17 timetable, I can cut with the same table. Do remember that? Okay? And numerator, yes, like this. Denominators like this as well. Do remember that this cross is going to help you out in doing cross multiplication, as well as you can do cross multiplication upside down as you already do in simplification of the fraction. Okay, so right now what to do? I'm going to cut 17 and write the number 1 here, and then I'm going to cut the number 85 and write the number 5, because 17 5s are 85. So right now numerators multiply by numerators, denominator multiplied by the denominator. So right now 5 4s are 20, yes, and then 7 1s are 7, yes. So 20 by 7 is this improper fraction again, you know that. So this is no more divisible by any other number. So right now I have to change this one into mixed number because this is the lowest form, okay, simplest form. So right now by dividing like this, 20 inside and 7 outside, I have to recall 7 times table. 7 2s are 14. Write 14 over here below 20 and subtract it. And where to write to? Yes, you already know, on this here, top. Yes. So by subtraction, I am going to get the number which is 10 minus 4 is 6. So I can write it down like, you remember that, q whole r over t, which is q. Yes, this one is quotient 2. This number 2 is quotient, this number 7 is d, and this number 6 is remainder. So q whole r over d form, remember that, and write this number as 2 whole 6 by 7. So this is my mixed number now. You can check and verify your answer because denominator here same, you can check. Now what to do? You are going to recall that 7 2s are 14 plus 6 is 20. So I have verified my answer that whatever I have written is right. So just concentrate on your division fraction, division of 2 or more than 2 fraction. You can just do it. I hope the whole situation is clear to you now. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.